Okay, y'all, with quarantine and all, you know, don't normally catch myself dressing up very much. Or, like, this is dressing up for me at least. But I mean, like, I'm kind of proud of myself, man. Like, this is a win. Like, today's gonna be a good day. I got a feeling about it. I got a picnic with my friends. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Just let me, like, finish cooking it until, just let me finish. Hold up, I'll be quick.
And guess who?
Wait, I'm ready.
Okay, we're waiting on Speed Eater here. She'll be done in just a second.
She's videoing her.
She's my loving.
It's Saturday, I got a vlog. Yeah, baby, let's go. Oh, look, they're waiting for me.
Just like fate without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to.
That just squirts.
Look. I don't like shopping. Caroline finished her shopping before I even found the section that I actually buy clothes.
Did you need a rain jacket type of thing? It's gonna be too small.
Actually.
That's pretty good.
And I've got a jean jacket on and it still feels good. My picnic's at 1 and I'm here at Sam's at 11:30 right now. This is gonna be really close.
Just don't eat this stuff before you get down there.
Oh my gosh. I don't miss shopping. How big?
No, but this was a...
Oh man, what time is it? 12:17? Oh boy.
We left it at.
What time are you supposed to be there?
1 o'clock. Should I take a rain jacket?
Guess on, where are you going?
I was gonna go hang out with my friends, but it's a pretty good size, right? Like, not rains. Excuse me. Hey, you can take my new raincoat. Alrighty. What's up?
No, it looks like it's gonna rain.
I know. No, it wasn't. It just got dark within the past 30 seconds.
Yeah. It was sunny at my house, and I was like, I'm gonna get sunburned today. And then it was like, and then I was like, ow. Like, I turned to the left, and I'm like, holy crap, that's like a tsunami. Yeah, exactly. We got out of Harris Teeter, and I was like, oh, the shelters over there.
Oh yeah, it's definitely raining. Let's go.
You're gonna tell this YouTube video, picnic at the park gone wrong.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, we can move.
Wait, that's so cool.
The rain let up. Okay, we can move.
Is there a place that we could go, like with a big covering?
Okay. Animal said there's a pavilion or something over there. Wait, but like 2 people could go over there and see if it looks accessible.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Let's go. Go, Erica. Just like good old times. Are you kidding me? It's a church. Yeah, I think we'll be good. Alright, we got a spot.
You like switched? Oh my god.
I'm done. Yo, Photoshop yourself. Let's go. There we go.
What's happening?
Oh, it's 2:40.
We're going to Canberra. Only a suit deals with absolutely. You will try.
Tell me you were videoing.
Yes, so in case we don't get You hurt me!
they'd be happy. Some of them going like, wait.
For you to love me too.
No, but it's like we're turning 16.
Ew.
You're young. You're naive. You know nothing about the world.
Okay,
I get it. You realize we just reenacted a Star Wars scene.